Now the brand name, the name of the piano is Rachal, German, which does not exist anymore. And it still plays.
Wow.
Do you know how to clean ivory?
No.
Okay.
Toothpaste.
Wow, you're
We use
good.
toothpaste.
Who told you
Yeah.
that?
Yeah, just like what we do.
Are you a teacher or something?
No, sir.
You're just a
But-
photographer for the group.
Yes, I'm a photographer. But I know we use
you're the most
toothpaste.
intelligent guy here, okay?
Oh, I'll give you 1 million.
Okay, I'll tell you, there are two formulas. One is very complicated, so I don't pay attention to it. The other one is a shortcut. You dump on flannel with water, but squeeze the water very well so that they won't go inside the cracks. And then use toothpaste, as you mentioned. What's your name?
Jimmy.
Oh, Jimmy,
Yeah.
okay. I remember that name.
Oh, Jimmy boy.
Now, there are 9 friends because we are 9 brothers and sisters, and that's a problem. There's so many. Had I been the only child, I could have been richer. But imagine 9 except for one, they're all alive and kicking. Nobody committed suicide. But as you can see, we're all involved with the arts. My 2 sisters are piano teachers. The others are ballet, Spanish dancers. He's the only one who died, but he was a violinist since he was 6 years old. And he was able to teach himself different musical instruments all by ear. And my brother Rene, anybody from Bacolod?
No, Chuck.
Okay. Rene, my brother, there's so much to be it's always a problem. You know, he could have been very popular if he were not humble. To give you an idea how crazy he is, when he was a student at UST, our parents would send him money, he would send it back. He would rather earn, although he was still a student. One time he wanted to work as a waiter. We stopped him and he said, "Oh, you look down on waiters." Anyway, he was international ramp model. He's modeled all over the world. Later on, Carrie Lagan got him again to model around the world with the national beauties. When he came back to the Philippines, he became the dance master of Metropolitan Theater. Dance master, that's the topmost. No more space. So the Met wanted to nominate him for the 10 Outstanding Young Men. He turned it down. And he's the only choreographer who choreographed all the top artists of the country, including Gary Valenciano. Now, to make a long story short, you won't hear of him because whenever there is pictorial, he won't appear. When the magazines would call him for interview, he would turn it down. He's that crazy. His name is Rene Ofilenia.
Who took that picture, sir?
That came from the Met, I don't know. And this picture, that picture over there, the big one, the newspaper picture, this is her. My sister Melly, she never joined a beauty contest, but time and again she was chosen Miss this and Miss that until she got married. In fact, one time the government officials came here asking my father to make her represent the province for the Miss Philippines. My father said no. And she ran the first ballet school in Negros Occidental, and when this picture was taken, she already had teenage children. Okay?
Unbelievable.
Wow.
She came back last Christmas.
Together with
She's already old, but she still has the same body.
May asim pa.
Now, my sister Marilu, she's got terrific operatic voice, but nothing happened to the voice because she married very young. But the voice is transferred to the children. 5 children, all sons are all singers. They all have recordings. One of them was active in the movies. His name is Ray P.J. Abellana.
the mother of
Carla.
Carla.
Now, that's me in the corner, but let's not talk about me anymore. Otherwise, I'll talk all day and all night.